ChatGPT is a revolutionary language model that is changing how we interact with technology. It's making natural language processing, NLP, more accessible and opening up new possibilities in many different areas. NLP is the field of computer science that deals with the interaction between computers and human, natural languages. ChatGPT's advanced language capabilities allow it to understand and generate human-like text, enabling new and more natural ways for people to interact with machines. This powerful technology has the potential to transform industries and enhance our daily lives in countless ways. ChatGPT is a powerful conversational AI assistant developed by OpenAI. It's based on the GPT 3.5 large language model architecture, which allows it to understand and generate human-like text. ChatGPT uses advanced natural language processing to engage in natural, contextual conversations across a wide range of topics. The model has been trained on vast amounts of text data, giving it the ability to provide coherent and relevant responses. As a conversational AI, ChatGPT aims to provide a human-like interaction where it can understand the user's intent and respond accordingly. This makes ChatGPT a versatile tool with applications in customer service, content creation, and many other areas. Generative AI is a revolutionary type of AI that can create brand new content, unlike traditional AI, which is limited to analyzing and processing existing information. These systems use advanced deep learning algorithms to identify patterns and relationships in large datasets, allowing them to generate completely original text, images, audio, and even code. This opens up incredible possibilities for creative and innovative applications across many industries. The key power of generative AI is its ability to go beyond simply replicating or recombining existing content, and instead produce truly novel and unique outputs. As this technology continues to advance, we'll see it transform how we approach content creation, problem solving, and even the way we interact with technology on a daily basis. Conversational AI represents a breakthrough in human-machine interaction, enabling more natural and intuitive experiences. By personalizing interactions based on user preferences, AI can create engaging and tailored responses, leading to enhanced user satisfaction and loyalty. Conversational AI has the potential to break down barriers and make technology more accessible to people with diverse needs and backgrounds, promoting inclusivity. The human-like qualities of conversational AI can foster a sense of collaboration and understanding between users and machines. ChatGPT is a powerful AI tool with a wide range of applications across different industries. In customer service, ChatGPT-powered chatbots can provide 24/7 support, answer questions, and resolve issues quickly and efficiently, improving the customer experience. For content creators, ChatGPT can generate high-quality articles, blog posts, social media content, scripts, and more, saving time and effort. In the education sector, ChatGPT can offer personalized learning experiences, answer student questions, and assist with homework assignments, enhancing the learning process. Researchers can leverage ChatGPT to gather information, analyze data, and synthesize findings, accelerating the research process and driving innovation. ChatGPT is a powerful language model that can generate human-like text responses. It has been trained on a vast amount of text and code, giving it a deep understanding of language and the ability to respond to a wide range of prompts. One of ChatGPT's key strengths is its ability to understand the context of the conversation and generate relevant, coherent responses. The model analyzes the preceding conversation and generates responses that are relevant to the current topic, ensuring a smooth flow of the discussion. ChatGPT also ensures that the text it generates has a coherent structure, with smooth transitions between sentences and no abrupt shifts in topic. Additionally, the model can interpret the user's intent and provide responses that address their needs, demonstrating a strong understanding of the user's goals and requirements. Text understanding is a core capability of ChatGPT. It can analyze the structure and meaning of text. ChatGPT can identify the key points and most important ideas in a piece of text. It can then generate a concise, high-level summary that captures the essential information. This ability to extract the core substance from lengthy documents is very useful for research, writing, and information retrieval tasks. With ChatGPT, Users can quickly get to the heart of a text and understand the key themes, arguments, and facts. Language barriers can be a significant obstacle to communication and understanding. But ChatGPT's translation capabilities help break down those barriers. It can accurately translate text between many languages, making it a valuable tool. This allows for broader access to information and resources across languages. It also helps bridge cultural divides and foster greater global understanding. While translation is complex, ChatGPT can account for nuances and idioms. This results in more natural, accurate translations that capture the true meaning. Overall, ChatGPT's translation features expand our reach and facilitate cross-cultural exchange. Coding assistance is a key capability of AI models like ChatGPT, which can help streamline various software development tasks. Code generation. ChatGPT can generate code snippets and even entire functions based on natural language descriptions, saving developers time. Debugging and error detection. It can identify errors in code and suggest solutions, making the debugging process more efficient. Code documentation. ChatGPT can assist in generating clear and concise documentation for code, improving maintainability. Code optimization. It can provide recommendations to improve code performance and efficiency. Software testing. ChatGPT can generate test cases and help automate the testing process, ensuring software quality. Creative writing and ideation are essential skills for crafting engaging stories, poems, and fictional worlds. Brainstorming helps generate new ideas and concepts to build upon. Storytelling allows us to develop narratives with vivid descriptions that captivate the audience. Poetry and verse enable us to craft imaginative pieces with unique rhythms and rhymes. Character development is crucial for creating compelling personas with distinct personalities. World building helps design detailed and immersive fictional environments. ChatGPT can assist the creative process by suggesting story ideas, plot twists, and character traits. The training data used to create ChatGPT may contain biases, which could lead to the AI perpetuating stereotypes or spreading misinformation. While ChatGPT is highly advanced, it still struggles with tasks that require real-world knowledge, logic, and common-sense reasoning. There's a risk of ChatGPT being used to generate deceptive or harmful content, so careful monitoring and ethical guidelines are needed. The widespread adoption of AI like ChatGPT raises important questions about job displacement and the need for responsible AI development that considers the ethical implications. ChatGPT can create customized learning materials tailored to students' needs and learning styles, enabling personalized learning experiences. It can provide real-time feedback, answer questions, and offer explanations, augmenting traditional instruction and serving as an automated tutor. Students can work together on projects using ChatGPT for brainstorming, idea generation, and research, fostering collaborative learning. ChatGPT can assist students in writing essays, stories, and research papers, helping to foster creativity and exploration in creative writing and research. AI assistants are becoming increasingly sophisticated, offering personalized assistance and learning from user interactions. They're finding applications across various fields, such as customer service, scheduling, research, and creative tasks. AI assistants simplify tasks, automate workflows, and provide quick access to information, freeing up time and resources. They can adapt to individual preferences and learning styles, offering tailored experiences and recommendations. ChatGPT is trained on vast datasets, allowing it to learn patterns and generate human-like responses, unlike traditional AI, which often relies on predefined rules and logic. While traditional AI excels at data analysis and pattern recognition, ChatGPT focuses on generating creative text formats, providing a more generative approach. A key difference is ChatGPT's ability to maintain context across conversations, enabling more natural and coherent interactions compared to traditional AI systems that struggle with context switching. The goal of ChatGPT is to mimic human conversation, providing a more engaging and natural experience for users, in contrast to the more rigid interactions of traditional AI systems. ChatGPT is trained on a massive dataset of text and code, which allows it to learn patterns and generate human-like responses. The model's architecture is based on a transformer network, which enables it to process and understand long sequences of text efficiently. The training data consists primarily of text, with a smaller portion of code and other types of data, as shown in the pie chart. The text data makes up 80% of the training data, while code accounts for 15% and other types of data make up the remaining 5%. This diverse training data allows ChatGPT to have a broad knowledge base and the ability to engage in a wide range of conversations and tasks. Reinforcement learning is a powerful technique that teaches AI agents to make optimal decisions by rewarding desired actions. This iterative process helps the AI learn from its experiences, improving its performance over time. Reinforcement learning plays a crucial role in fine-tuning ChatGPT, enabling it to generate more coherent and contextually appropriate responses. By rewarding accurate and engaging outputs, the model learns to align with human preferences. The image illustrates this concept, showing a complex network of nodes with a bright blue glowing light representing the reward signal. The pursuit of general intelligence remains a significant challenge in AI as we strive to replicate the full breadth of human cognitive abilities. Replicating common sense reasoning, creativity, and emotional understanding are key hurdles we must overcome. Acquiring the vast amounts of diverse data and developing effective learning algorithms are critical for an AI system to gain a broad understanding of the world. Navigating the complexities and uncertainties of the real world, including unforeseen situations and evolving environments, poses a formidable challenge for current AI systems. The spread of false information is a major concern with ChatGPT, as it can be used to generate convincing but inaccurate text. This raises the risk of misinformation spreading and potentially impacting public discourse. Another concern is that the training data used to develop ChatGPT may contain biases, which can then be reflected in its responses. This could contribute to the perpetuation of stereotypes and discrimination. It's crucial to develop ethical guidelines and safeguards to mitigate the risks associated with misinformation and bias in AI systems like ChatGPT. AI development and deployment must align with key ethical principles like fairness, transparency, accountability, and privacy. These principles are critical to ensure AI is used responsibly and doesn't perpetuate existing societal biases. AI systems can inherit biases from their training data, leading to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. Developers must proactively identify and address biases in data and algorithms to promote fairness and equity. The future of conversational AI is an exciting topic as it will transform how we interact with technology. One key trend is that AI will become more natural and human-like, understanding complex context and nuance. This will make interactions feel more seamless and intuitive. Another trend is personalized experiences. AI will learn individual preferences and tailor interactions accordingly, making them more engaging and helpful for each user. Conversational AI will also become more integrated into our everyday devices, making it more accessible and ubiquitous in our lives. And we'll see AI used in increasingly innovative ways, expanding into new use cases and transforming industries and experiences. Overall, the future of conversational AI points to a world where technology feels more natural, personalized, and integrated into our daily lives. ChatGPT can be seamlessly integrated into existing workflows to automate tasks and improve efficiency. It can analyze large amounts of data, generate reports, and provide valuable insights to support informed decision-making. ChatGPT can power chatbots and virtual assistants, delivering personalized support and answering customer inquiries. It can assist with various content creation tasks, including writing, editing, and generating articles, emails, and social media posts. Automation of repetitive tasks like data entry and customer service can free up workers to focus on more complex, value-added activities. New roles will emerge in AI development, data analysis, and ethical AI. These present exciting opportunities for those willing to upskill. As AI transforms the job market, workers will need to continuously adapt and develop new skills to stay competitive. Jobs requiring human skills like creativity, critical thinking, and problem-solving may become increasingly in demand as AI takes over more routine tasks. Overall, The rise of AI presents both challenges and opportunities for the job market. It's crucial that workers and organizations proactively prepare for these changes. ChatGPT is an AI assistant that can automate routine tasks, freeing up human workers to focus on more creative and strategic roles. By assisting with research, content creation, and problem solving, ChatGPT can lead to enhanced productivity for workers. The capabilities of ChatGPT open up new opportunities for innovation and job creation in fields like AI development and data analysis. The development and use of AI technologies must be guided by clear ethical frameworks and standards to ensure responsible innovation. Algorithmic transparency is key to building trust in AI systems and holding them accountable. We need to understand how these algorithms work under the hood. Protecting the privacy and security of the data used to train and deploy AI is critical. We must have robust safeguards in place. Addressing bias in AI is essential to prevent unfair and discriminatory outcomes. We need to actively work to mitigate bias at every stage of the AI lifecycle. The future is increasingly driven by AI, so it's crucial that we prepare ourselves and our organizations for this change. Embracing lifelong learning is key. We need to continuously adapt our skills to new technologies like data analysis and programming to stay relevant. Critical thinking is also vital. We must develop the ability to evaluate information, identify biases, and make informed decisions in an AI-shaped world. At the same time, we need to foster ethical awareness around AI. Understanding the implications and advocating for responsible development and use of this technology is essential. These three elements, continuous learning, critical thinking, and ethical awareness, will help us navigate the AI-driven future successfully. ChatGPT represents a major breakthrough in natural language AI. It can generate human-quality text, answer questions, and perform complex tasks in a way we've never seen before. The potential applications of this technology are truly transformative. As ChatGPT continues to evolve, we can expect to see it have an increasingly profound impact across many different industries and areas of our lives. This concludes our discussion on the power and promise of ChatGPT. The future is bright, and I'm excited to see how this technology develops and the new possibilities it unlocks.